On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, we're going to draw an eyeball. All you're going to need is a pen and a pencil and an eraser, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. I'm going to make this easy on myself. I'm going to get a coin. This is a British 2p coin. And I'm just going to draw around it. You could use a compass, anything you like. It's just to give yourself a bit of a guide. And then just slightly off center, I'm going to draw the pupil. So let's get that nice and circular, like that. Oop. Not quite circular, is it? Anyway, so, and then we want to draw the iris, the bit in the, yeah, the iris. Let's get a pen onto this now. I'm going to draw all the way around like that. And I'm just going to draw a little kind of a square in there and then ink it all in, all around it. So we get a nice shiny reflection of a window or something like that in the eyeball, staring at you. And then we want to go all the way around like that. And then we can go all the way around the circle, which is not as easy as it seems. Now we want to make this look like it's kind of on the ground, so we're going to draw an ellipse in here as well. Draw this very, very gently. Don't press hard because we're going to erase it later. Now, to get the pupil looking a bit better, we're going to do a flick like that and a flick like that and that and that. And then we'll kind of quarter that again. And then we'll go in between all those bits like that, and again through all those bits there, flicking into the middle all the time. And you can go around once more if you like. I'm not going to. So here I'm going to put in some shadow. So I'm sort of pressing quite hard there, and then I kind of flick out to the end, dot it to the end. Dot it a bit stronger, and then kind of dot it. Dot it, dot it, dot it, a bit stronger, and then dot it to the edge. And we're trying to follow this shape of the ellipse here. And again, so we really want it kind of fading at the edges. Dot, 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 and stronger, dot, 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 like that. Strong and fading. Strong and fading. Strong and fading. Like that. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, erase all those pencil lines. And then if you want to kind of put it on the table, as we say, then you're going to need to put a line behind it there. If you want to give it a little more shading, then sort of start with the dot there and then getting a little bit wider as you come around, and then maybe just curve it around a bit like that. And then into little dots around there and disappear like that. And then you can colour in the pupil any colour you like. Maybe add a bit of shading and stuff too. And there you go, how to draw an eyeball. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back every week for lots more drawings. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.